nga na sinabi ni Direk Jason Paul, present na yung setting ng isang daang awit. So, like we were saying kanina, very welcome addition si Kyle kasi I don't know with you, pero ako first time ko mag-reprise ng role eh. Hindi pa ako nakakaulit ng role ulit. So, it's scary to do something twice, I feel, kesa yung magbagong character ka na lang ulit. So, since it's the same character, parang it's nice to be among friends. So, I consider JC one of my longest and closest friends in showbiz, and Kyle also is a really good friend. So, I'm happy to do this project now with both of them.
Who was Stella today?
I don't know.
Hindi ko pa alam. Lost siya.
Natin sa set.
Still trying to figure it out all the time. Kasi nga, while we were reading it kanina, sabi ko parang, paano kaya to ulit? Paano kaya to? Sige nga, we're excited to explore, lalo na with him.
Oo. So, who would you be?
Clyde. My name is Clyde Belayo. Yeah, that's like...
Ikaw daw yung perfect guy.
Napanood mo yung movie?
I was actually, this was a long time ago, 8 years ago. I was 40 when it first came out. Siyempre, I heard about all the
hype.
Yeah, all the hype. Pero I'll be honest, hindi ko pa napapanood.
To be fair, kanina rin kayo nag-run through. Diba?
Yes,
Like, we're fresh.
Very
This
fresh.
is so fresh.
I mean, we've received
Pero,
different versions of the script.
Yes.
Yeah.